Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome to my channel. A couple of months ago, I got into 3D printing. I started with one Iligo Neptune 4, then it turned out into two. After that, I ordered the Anycubic Cobra 3. This is an early bird, so the wait was almost 3 months, but honestly, I think it was worth it because here it is. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Purge or Prime Tower. I personally don't want to waste too much filament. I've heard it can affect print quality, but this is my first official multicolor print, so I'm just experimenting to see how it turns out. If you're new like me and switching from Iligo to Anycubic Slicer, you'll notice it's a bit different. I'm using Anycubic Slicer Next version 1.3.9.4. I believe it's the latest version since I just downloaded it. Let me open my project. By the way, this model is PJ from Population 1 Battleground VR games, the very first skin you get in the game. Since this is a multicolor print, when you hit slice, it will automatically generate a prime tower. As you can see here, I enabled support because I'm printing a figurine, so that it means there's an overhang, but that's all I really need. I don't want the prime tower. If it's enabled, the print takes over 15 hours, and without it, it drops to around 11 hours, which is a pretty big difference. So if you go to the left side of the slicer, next to the process, click on global, then select multi-material. There you'll see that the prime tower is enabled by default. Just uncheck that option and you'll notice the prime tower disappear. After that, you have to click slice again and your support 3 support will come back, but this time without the prime tower. So that's how you turn off the prime tower in Anycubic Slicer Next version 1.3.9.4. Then you can now save it or export the G code, then it will be ready to print. Hopefully this short video was helpful. Again, without the prime tower, it reduced the print time from over 15 hours down just to over 11 hours. That's about 4-hour difference plus less filament use, of course. If you found this useful, please don't forget to click like. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.